morning, everyone.
Morning.
It's
Saturday.
Saturday.
It's the 24th or 25th.
Someday.
I don't know.
We lose track because we don't clock in anywhere anymore. It snowed a little bit last night here. It looks pretty though. I mean, it's not bad. It's a little cold this morning.
It's like 34 degrees outside right now.
But it's not raining. Yay!
Yeah.
So today's goals are get more trash out. Today's gonna bush hog some more. I'm hoping to get the house cleaned out so we can go to the outbuildings out back on the back side of the property and start cleaning those out. And what else? If we can get that much done, it'll be great.
Yep. Just get some more done.
So we brought Bella out today so she can wander around, so she'll be in and out of our videos. So we love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like us and click that notification bell so you know when our new videos come out. Have a great day and we'll see you in a little bit. There you go, Dave Freeman. It finally unfroze. Just gotta move I think this is pretty much where the wood stove used to be because there's a pile of logs there. Maybe a bam. Say hi, everybody. So I just got to move those logs and get that little bit of trash up, and then we can see what's going on there. Let's see what else we got going on. I got this little bit of trash in here, and this heat and air unit way too heavy for me. So I got that little bit of trash. I got this little bit of trash in the laundry room or whatever this is, canning room. Got a little pile there. Our plastic downstairs is holding up pretty good. Upstairs it did. We're gonna have to staple it again, but so far so good. Take a peek out here and see how Dave's doing. He's out on the bush hog. Come on, Bill. Oh, sorry, guys. Go out here and film him for a minute because he's working his butt off too. We got some Roundup to put on this gravel so it'll kill all the weeds just on the gravel. Oh yeah, it's making major progress up here. Some more trash. This is where the garden's gonna be. Oh, there's a pole. Shoot, sorry. Yeah, look at this hot mess. So we're taking a walk down through the woods to see the rest of our property. We're kind of following the fence line. These briars are just awful. And I got my pants on that. I'm gonna stop. I'm trying to follow this little trail. If you look back that way, you can see the ridge at the top of the property. Yeah, well, it's just getting up there. I mean, this plow wheel. Dude, I just want to burn these. Oh, wow. 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 There's our cave. Can you see down there?
Zip your jacket up. Here. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Zip your jacket up.
Dude, this is just like thicket down here.
Yeah. Alright, now you need to keep your hands up here like this.
Okay.
Here.
Bring that weed eater down here. Oh.
Go back that way. Back up a little more.
These things are taller than me. This is better. Our cave. Listen. Look right down there.
We'll figure out another way to get down to it. I think that's our property line. See the fence?
Yep.
See the white, the T-poles.
Yep.
That's our property line, so we can come down in it from over there. I'll get a trail cut to it. That way we can get down to it.
Can you show the cave? Or can you see it from there?
No, you really can't see it because there's a lot of limbs in the way, or brush in the way. But our property line is down there, and there's some white T-posts down there. That's our property line. So we'll get down there when it's drier, because it's like really, really wet out here right now.
And then where does it go back up?
It goes back up that side over there.
Oh, I see a T-post up there
Yeah,
in the woods.
yeah. You're right in the middle.
Yep. Looks like they've been bedding some, like right here. All right, we're back at the camper. We got in a good 5-hour cleaning session, mowing session. So we did good today. No rain. A little bit of snow. It snowed.
It's more like sleet.
Yeah, it sucked.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're getting there. We're making progress. We did a walk around the property today. That was,
Well, probably not all of it, but some of it.
yeah, we definitely need to get a survey done so we can find where we're.
Well, once we can get a plot map, then it'll have all the footages on it, and then I can measure it off.
Yeah. Because we do have one marker
Yeah.
that tells where one point for sure is.
Yeah.
So yeah, Bella was wore out. She's a prima donna princess dog from Florida. She was shaking in the car when we were finishing up. So we're both kind of ready
Come here,
to
Bella.
be at the property because
Come here.
it just would make it a lot easier to get stuff done
Come on.
if we could. There she is. It would make things a lot easier to get done if we were actually on the property and not having to drive back and forth. So next Friday we should be up there, hopefully. So anyways, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share our videos. We're growing pretty fast. Last time I checked, we had 122 subscribers. So thank you to all of you for subscribing. And yeah, things are gonna get done and we're excited. Talk to you soon. Have a great night.